Home remedies for cough in winters include 1. Honey and garlic syrup. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with 1 tablespoon of garlic juice and consume daily. 2. Throat massage. Massaging the throat helps alleviate throat irritation and coughing. 3. Oil application. Massage olive oil or specific massage oils onto the chest and back. 4. Avoiding dry air. Use a humidifier in the room to avoid dry air, which can worsen coughing. 5. Cough remedy. Mix a teaspoon of chana, gram, powder in a cup of warm milk and drink for immediate relief from cough. These home remedies help alleviate coughing. However, if the cough is severe or persistent, it's essential to consult a doctor.